Good morning. In the last class, we have discussed about main components of IC engine. Also, we have already discussed differences between internal combustion engine and external combustion engine. Now we will start with basic terminology or nomenclature that we have to follow in case of IC engine, in case of our subject. So these nomenclature you should always remember because we will be using it throughout our subject. Like for the first one, the first abbreviation of first terminology is internal combustion, or in short, we can say it as IC. So whenever it is written as IC, we will take it as internal combustion engine. Next, for spark ignition, we will be calling it as SI, spark ignition or petrol engine. That is a particular engine in which the combustion is initiated with the help of a spark plug. Or basically, you can say it is a petrol engine. For non-technical communities, it is petrol engine. Then compression ignition or CI engine. Whenever there is compression ignition engine, we will call it as simply CI engine. It is basically an engine in which the combustion will start because of self-ignition of the air-fuel mixture or self-ignition of the fuel. In this type of engine, during the compression, the temperature which is increased is so much high that it is sufficient for the self-ignition of fuel. The CI engines are often called as diesel engine, especially in non-technical communities. We call it as diesel engine. Then top dead center or TDC. Top dead center is that position of piston which is farthest from the crankshaft. For example, if we see in the image, the topmost position, this topmost position of the piston, when the piston will be at this position, it will be farthest from the crankshaft, and this position is known as TDC or top dead center. Another position, the position at which the piston will be at shortest distance from the crankshaft, this position will be known as BDC or bottom dead center. It is a common term in this case in most of the cases, but in case of a horizontal engine, for example, we have a horizontal engine. So in case of horizontal engine, we don't have any top or bottom. What we are having? We are having left or right. So in that case, the TDC will be called as HEDC, high end dead center, and BDC will be called as CEDC, that is crank end dead center. In which case, in case of horizontal engine, because there is no top and bottom, so how we can say that this position is a top dead center or this is a bottom dead center? We can't say it like this. So what we are using the HEDC or CEDC. HEDC, high end dead center, that is the position of piston which is farthest from the crankshaft. CEDC, crank and dead center, the position of piston which is nearest to the crankshaft. Why we are naming this position? Because whatever will be the cycle of operation, this cycle of operation will be explained between these two positions, TDC and BDC, and also with the help of movement of piston. Whether the piston is moving towards TDC, if it is moving towards TDC, what I will term it as? I will name it BTDC, that is before TDC, before the event have occurred, before the piston have have occupied the position of TDC, top dead center, or if it is moving downwards from TDC to BDC, I can say it as after TDC, ATDC. Similarly, if I am explaining some event in respect to bottom dead center position, so if it is coming towards bottom dead center, I will name it as before BDC, and if it is going from bottom dead center towards top dead center, what I will say, it is after BDC or after bottom dead center. So these positions are named so that the overall operations can be explained very easily. The occurrence of event which will be taking place, these events can be explained very easily because of these positions. Then after top dead centers, we are having direct injection or indirect injection, DI or IDI. So what is this DI and IDI? If you look at these, if we see at this engine, this particular engine, in this, we are having only one combustion chamber. Combustion chamber is, it is the space between cylinder head and piston, which is available for our operation. That space is known as combustion chamber. So in this case, we are having a single combustion chamber. Whatever fuel or